Hello everyone, myself Sanoba. Today I'm gonna speak on an NGO named Gunj. Gunj, a voice and an effort, is a non governmental organization headquartered in New Delhi, India, which undertake disaster relief, humanitarian aid, and community development in the parts of 23 states. Gunj aims to envision to grow as an idea across the regions, economics, and countries using a urban discard as a tool to elevate poverty and enhance the dignity of underprivileged people of the world. Address the basic but neglected issue of poor by involving them in evolving their own solutions. Anshu Gupta, popularly known as the Clothing Man, is the founder of an Indian based non profit that is Gunj. Anshu Gupta was born in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, as his father got posting in his job with an Indian Army Military Engineer Service. He holds a master's in economic and a double major in journalism and mass communication. As a graduate student, he traveled in Uttarkashi in North India in 1991 to help with the relief after the earthquake in the region. He started Gunj in 1999 with his wife Minakshi Gupta and few friends to work on the basic needs of clothing. Under Gunj Flag Initiative, Cloth for Work village communities across India work on their own issues. Cloth for Work has been evolved to new development, that is material and labor. Anshu Gupta initiated the Not Just a Piece of Cloth campaign after the 2004 tsunami. This is the official website of the NGO. Here you can contribute or donate clothes and other materials also. Gunj, through its Not Just a Piece of Cloth initiative, have distributed more than 4 million cloth pads across India and organized thousands of awareness meetings among the most backward communities all across the country. Gunj has been reaching material to the parts of 23 states of India. People get this material not as charity or daan. They work on their community issues and get the material as motivation. Schools have been built, wells have been dug up, and bridges have been built by the people under the Cloth for Work initiative. Gunj was formed in 1999 by Anshu Gupta, started with 67 clothes, and now it deals over 3,500 tons of material every year. A couple of real life incidents prompted Anshu Gupta and realized that clothing was overlooked as a basic human right. Into the 2004 tsunami, the Chennai center was flooded with old but usable cloths. These cloths were disinfected, washed, and recycled into the pads. By 2014, 4 million pads were distributed at the cost of 2 rupees to the poor who can't afford a commercial sanitary pad. Gunj has done multiple co-branded campaigns with many reputed brands. Here are some. Ek Jodi Kapda with Whirlpool, Look Good, Do Good with Raymond, recycle your old clothes for a cause, etc. are such campaigns are beautifully woven to encompass by Gunj. These are the companies which have done collaboration with NGO. The uniqueness about this NGO is that it aims to provide the basic need of cloth to the poor, but they do not believe in doing it as charity. They give it as currency to the villagers for improving their own conditions. There are no free lunches. The underprivileged also need to work to get their benefit. Gunj won Change Makers Innovation Award for its school to school initiative. In 2012, NASA and US State's Department awarded as a game-changing innovation, World Bank's Development Marketplace Award, and many more. Gunj has been considerably successful as a mass movement for recycling and reuse of a lot of additional clothing and other household consumable for India's richest to its poorest communities, which will have been discharged as a waste. Till March 2021, the organization has reached out in 25 states across India and are supporting people affected during any natural disaster. These are my references. Thank you.